In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message on WhatsApp without saving phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the easiest way to do so is open up any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari, and then all we have to do is just enter wa.me, then /, and after that we need to enter a phone number whom we want to send a message. I'm just gonna enter someone's phone number. Do not forget to add country code before the number. For Russia it is 7. And then once you've done with that, all we have to do is just tap at go. And then after a couple of seconds it allows us to open up a conversation with that user in WhatsApp app. We need to tap at open, and then we'll be taken to a conversation with that user. That's how you can easily send a message on WhatsApp without saving number.